Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back again to another video on this channel. In this one, we talk about how you can get the full image to show up while performing outgoing calls on iPhone. What I mean by this is that when you call someone, you'll be able to see their profile picture, but also the full screen will be displaying them so you can see perfectly who you're calling at the moment. So let's get into it right now. The requirement software version for this is iOS 17. So I just assume that you are already on that version. And the way it works now is that you get to the Contacts app on your iPhone and you need to customize your favorite or even all contacts and choose the image that's going to pop up when you call them. So you'll tap on any contact you wish, and you need to click on the edit button in the top right corner of the screen. This edit page will let you change the phone number, name, a whole bunch of other stuff. What we're interested in, however, is the contact poster, as Apple calls it. It's the combination of profile picture with the associated background image. So if there already is one, click on edit. If not, just tap on add photo button, and you'll then have the ability to customize the poster so you can pick any image from the gallery. This will be the full screen image that shows up when you call someone. Then you need to customize their profile picture. It's the one that shows up as a circle and is visible in messages and other places. And after you have this all set up, when you then call them, the call page will include their photos as well. So it looks much better and you can instantly see who you're calling. Also, keep in mind that there is the ability to adopt someone else's own poster and profile picture, just like you can customize your own in your personal card in the Contacts app, so can anyone else. And this can be essentially adopted by other people too, but it's not obligatory by any means. You can create your own one. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope I have managed to help you with this. If not, please let me know below what the issue was, and I can take a look at that additionally. Anyways, consider subscribing to this channel as well, and I'll see you in the next video.